Welcome back. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Peter. I used to have -2 diopter myopia or short-sightedness, and today I walk around with 20/20 vision. Naturally, I can see everything clearly. So just to continue from yesterday's video where I discussed my backstory, I'm just going to post a couple of photographs here just to show you photos of me wearing glasses back in the day and show you how reliant I was on them. So here in the first photograph you can see I was about 16 or 17 years old, I think, at the time, wearing my glasses just like a regular teenager would when they've been told that they should wear their glasses by the professionals. In photograph number 2, I'm here on my holidays in the beautiful city of Barcelona, outside one of Gaudi's lovely buildings, Casa Batlló. In this photograph I'm about 30 years old here, so I've already been wearing glasses at this point for 17 years, so it's just part of my life. And then moving on to photograph number 3, I'm 32 here and I'm enjoying a tour of Waterford Distillery whiskey operation. Beautiful whiskies there if anyone is into whiskey. And then in photograph 4, I am on holidays here in northwest of Ireland, County Donegal. I'm about 33 here, and I'm like a lot of people, don't really like having glasses on in photographs. I don't know how I had the other photographs with my glasses on, but anyway, I used to put them up on top of my head in photographs in latter years. So that was me at 33, and then the final photograph here is just 2 years ago when I was 34, and again glasses up on my head because I didn't enjoy having them on for photographs. So that's it. You see that I used to wear glasses and now I walk around every day enjoying my crystal clear vision. So the purpose of this channel and website is to show people how they can do the same as me. So feel free to follow me on Instagram and Facebook and check into my website. See you in the next video.